Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokumari HK416 NGRS. This has come in for repairs and it's needed a fair few. So I think, yeah, obviously sometimes we're not great at going over exactly what we do things. We just obviously fix them, you know, when we're in there. But obviously the point of these videos is to obviously try and convey all the things we've done. So I'll try and obviously get over some of the highlights, but yeah, obviously some of the biggest issues I suppose was upper receiver wobble. Technically it is still missing the rear spacers, but we are out of stock of those, so we couldn't replace those. Obviously when everybody takes apart their guns, make sure that they don't lose those spacers and put them correctly back in the right place, because obviously it's designed to take out some slack in the upper receiver, and play creates play. So obviously if you're using a gun with play, it then creates more play, and then when you put the spacers back in, they no longer take up all the slack, you know. So yeah, it what we've done though is we've put this Laylax expanding pin in there. Unfortunately they only do an M4 one, but as you can see there, cosmetically it just leaves a small gap, but it does fit. And obviously the benefits of it is, you know, like I say, it's taking out all of that play. Keep an eye on it, obviously if it comes loose, keep it tight, you know. Over time through vibrations, you obviously don't want to lose the pin out of here, but yeah, that's sort of standard stuff. What else did we do? We replaced the latch that's on the side there. That was missing and or broken, so we actually do our own version of that. So it's right there. So that's the HK416 version. There's a different one for M4. What else do we do? So yeah, obviously the build wise was a full level 9. It already came in with the CTR stock, but I've just taken a bit of extra material out just so this fits a bit nicer on the back there. So we've put a Laylax Castle Nut on here, Laylax Sling point as requested. We've got an FPS piston, we've got the Prometheus piston heads, we've got Prometheus Tightbore barrel, Prometheus spring guides. We've got the MOSFET was already installed, so we haven't had to put one of them in there. We've got Prometheus Gears, Prometheus air nozzle, Prometheus cylinder, Prometheus nub, Prometheus bearings, Prometheus Tappet plate, Prometheus Selector plate, Firefly Hop Rubber. We've got the obviously, yeah, so we've talked about the Laylax pin that's in there. We've got an EagleSix joining bar on the back there. We are quickly running out of those. We've got an EagleSix M105 spring. We had to go quite high to get to the FPS we were looking for, 270 FPS. And we've got an upgraded Recoil spring from EagleSix, and we've got we've had to source a hop unit spring to go onto the hop unit because it had one missing. So yeah, basically we've just tried to bring back together a gun that was in a little bit of a state, and hopefully it's now all back together and working good for you. Obviously what we're looking for is a solid feeling gun, you know, that has all of its functionality back, and like I say, bolt stops working, you know, ejection port covers working, no slack, you know, CTR stock looks good. Yeah, so I think we're all back together in terms of bringing this gun back to life. So we'll just test it now, and obviously hopefully the performance on the upgrades is good. As you can see there, super quick on trigger response. There we go. So all tested, and hopefully all back together, you know, to your satisfaction. Any problems, let us know. Obviously stand by our builds, but yeah, we hope you enjoy, and we hope you have lots of fun. Thank you.